In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar graph in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert a chart, edit the data behind it, customize its look, and make sure everything updates correctly in your document. Start by opening your Google Doc at the top, click Insert, hover over Chart, and choose either bar for a horizontal layout or column for a vertical layout. Pick the style that best matches how you want your categories to read. Bar charts are great when you want category names to be easy to scan down the left, while column charts make comparisons across vertical bars really clear. A sample chart will appear in your document. This chart is linked to a Google Sheet that holds the underlying data. Click the chart once to select it. Then look for the linked object options in the top right corner of the chart. This might look like 3 dots or a small link icon. Click that and choose Open Source. This opens the connected Google Sheet in a new tab in the sheet. You'll see a small table driving the chart. Replace the placeholder content with your own information. Put your categories in column A. These are your labels, like product names or months, and your values in column B, which should be the numbers you want to visualize. It helps to keep clear headers in the first row so your chart titles come through nicely. If you need more items, just continue adding rows. The chart will expand to include them. Make sure your values are actual numbers, not text, so the chart calculates correctly. While you are in the sheet, you can customize the chart's appearance using the chart editor, which opens on the right. Here, you can adjust colors, change the chart and axis titles to be more descriptive, tweak the legend, and modify grid lines to improve readability. If you decide you prefer the other orientation, you can also switch between bar and column in the chart type settings. Without starting over, when your data and design look good, go back to your Google Doc. You'll see an Update button appear on the chart. Click Update to sync the latest changes from the sheet into your document. If the chart doesn't refresh right away, give it a second or make sure you updated the correct linked sheet. That's it, your bar or column chart is now set up, styled, and perfectly aligned with your data inside Google Docs. Thanks for watching.